Thank you. Our grandson loved it. My grandson absolutely loves this bumper car. It moves faster than expected and even rolls on and off thick rugs. I will buy again. So much fun. It's kinda big, but it's fun for rider and controller. This was bought for my granddaughter for her birthday. She absolutely loves it. You sync your phone to it using Bluetooth and can play any music you want. My daughter said the remote control is easy to use and my granddaughter easily figured out how to navigate the control herself. The battery life is really great. The grandbaby plays in it for about an hour or so and still has enough battery life to play in it several more times. It isn't all that noisy either. She rides around in it in the house and outside. I got sticker all on it. Person facepalming, person facepalming. Click link in description for more reviews.